4 months ago now, I decided to embark on a brand new journey in my career and expand my brand into a studio space for the very first time. If you missed that last episode, be sure to go and check it out. Otherwise, welcome to episode 3.
Are you ready to sign this?
Are you ready to sign it? Okay. Signing is one thing, sending it, that's the big deal. Because you can sign it, but if you never send it, I'll never get it.
True.
Are you ready?
Like I'm signing my life away.
You are. You are signing your life away for the next 4 years, and my life, and your father's life.
For each natural person, I'm not natural. J.R. Stella.
Oh my God, he's done it. Just don't know if I want to do this.
Tenant's signature. Signed.
Is that it?
That's it.
Congratulations. It's done.
It's happening.
Good luck.
Thank you.
It's going to be amazing. You're going to be amazing.
All right. Lease is signed. Let's get to renovating. So I'm currently at Jordan's house and we're about to spend a lot of money. I need to place the order. So we're gonna start with the wardrobe system. So we're going 75 centimeters wide. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already fucking $1,500, cute. Now let's go back. We need to add doors. Oh, and that's bumped that up to $3,000 already. Stunning. Door handles. Okay, I want pull doors, sleek and sexy like me. These are the only doors that I can actually get that actually fit.
Do we like them?
Do we like them? I don't know.
Yeah, I think they're cute.
Are you, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they're 750?
Yeah, correct. Sorry, we deal in millimeters, not centimeters like fucking peasants. Interior list, let's go. So we need to do drawers with the glass front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add a shelf on top of that because that's where the hinges are all gonna go. Skin and body in one. Foundation, concealer and powders, blushes, bronzers, highlighters, eyeshadow palettes, eyes and brows, lips and lashes. So I need 7 for all of the makeup storage. So we're currently at $6,230. Do you think that there's too many drawers? All right, so these have got to go then.
Did we literally just save $2,000 by doing that?
Yes.
How much do you save if they're not glass?
$5 per one, I think.
That's it?
Yeah.
How many are there? So what's 24 times 5?
Quick maths. $120 something.
Better check. 120, you're right. That's such a clever boy.
Thank you.
How wide are these drawers too?
75. 750,
Really?
750. Okay, so that's that done. Stunning. All right, added to bag. I'm getting 3 of these. I want gloss white.
No.
You said in episode 1 that it looks cheap.
Anytime you have a gloss white cupboard, it looks cheap. It does look cheap.
Yeah.
Learning.
Stunning, add to bag.
I'm so glad this is you and not me.
Because you're indecisive. I'm very decisive when it comes to this shit.
Not indecisive. Not wanting to spend some money.
Okay, what would you do? All right, add to bag. So we've got the thing, the small little drawers, and that's it for the bottoms.
Yeah.
Now
the tops.
we are in packing mode. So even though I'm not moving everything out a couple of months, I do want to get started on moving everything into boxes. Comes to like my last week of working from here, I can actually just pack up these drawers here. A lot of this stuff isn't stuff that I reach for on like a daily basis. Yeah. That's the tea. I'm gonna keep going. Maybe you guys can like sit and watch me. We have made progress. I've done so much work and it looks like I've done nothing. These 3 storage boxes here are the ones put together. Little by little we are getting there. Today's the day that I get my keys. It is December 1st and I'm fucking buzzing. I cannot wait. Currently on the way to the studio now. I bought like sage, cleanse pretty much all of the old energy out of there and welcome in the new. It's a bit woo, I know. So excited, oh my God. Here we are. So this is it, guys. We are completely vacant. Still a few things that need to go, but this is it. We've got so much work ahead of us. I am just buzzing right now. I'm gonna take some clips now of the space before. And then yeah. Kenji, where are we? Where are we? I honestly feel so fucking pathetic doing this right now, but I'm just feeling overwhelmed right now. There's just so much on my plate and I don't want this to be like a woe is me. I'm just feeling a bit overwhelmed, that's all. I just need to keep on fucking pushing on. Sorry, I have such an ugly crying face. It's like Kim Kardashian. Part of like my anxiety manifests into like imposter syndrome. Well, now I've got some shit to do. Hi. We have got some progress. Higher IKEA order just arrived. Ripped out all of the cabling, all getting put through above this section here. Framework up, which is really awesome. This is going to be my treatment room basically. And you walk into treatment room 2. Then we've got treatment room 3 on that side. There is some more IKEA stuff in this room here. Literally just rushed from home. I had a client this morning. Mum just told me that we have some things to go through. So I'm gonna pop you there. So tell me, what do we need to suss out? What do we need to...
Okay, so the skirtings, they're made out of wood.
Correct.
Zunic took aluminium ones off.
Yeah.
They look a bit cheap.
Yeah, we're not putting those same back on.
You can get timber.
Yeah.
That's the same height as this. And that would be cheaper than buying that aluminium strip.
Yeah.
You didn't know if you were okay with that.
Yeah, that's fine.
When the wall comes out, it's going to be flush with this
switch
power
board
thing.
Yeah.
We continue the wall up here. You're going to have a wall hitting this. He said that you can finish the wall here, or you can finish it here.
I can just finish at the switchboard.
You can put something there, a picture or something.
No, but yeah. I'm gonna go over the entire order and just make sure everything's here. I don't even know where to fucking begin. Help! This is a lot more complicated than I was anticipating. Let's just start from the top of the list and look for it. Me, sus, RL 200 galvanized APCN. I'm assuming that's these big motherfuckers over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stunning! First one ticked off. Next is Ekbakken 246 times 2.8 Al Grey Conc. Oh, the bench tops. How many is there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's it there. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna fucking break this alarm. Okay, nurse me. I'm exhausted already. Borghammen handle. Oh, there's a domestic. Nah. Gotcha. Today is the 12th of December. Waiting on the plumber to get here so he can do plumber things, I don't know. All of this IKEA stuff needs to move into the other room because we still need to build the false wall in here. I should have taken Dad's advice and got in a fucking trolley. My electrician is a bit more old school. He likes to just look at what's needed and fucking put it in rather than look off a plan. I'm just going through the plans right now, highlighting where PowerPoints need to go. Let's call Jordan together and break his fucking balls, should we?
Hello?
Greetings. I have a question. You know the PowerPoints that are going where the makeup stations are?
Yes.
Gonna go above the bench height or underneath the bench? Practicality.
I think practically they go above. Aesthetically they go below, but I would say practicality on that.
The electricians are coming at 7:30 in the morning tomorrow to rough everything in.
Yeah.
So I'm just like figuring out where everything's, because he's had, like I said to you, he's had a look at the plans, but he usually go off plans. He just says, okay, what do you need where, basically. Thank you, you're a legend.
No dramas.
Alright, I'll talk to you soon, bye. This is like the one thing that I find myself constantly running into issues with. People thinking that I know what they know. I can only understand things to a certain extent. You can be like, yeah, it's gonna be like 180 from the floor, and then like from this corner it's gonna be a 35-degree angle, and I'm like, I don't know what any of the fuck that means. I play with glitter for a living, bitch, like the fuck. Today is the 13th. I just got home. I was actually there for about, I think it was 11 and a half hours today. I am exhausted, but we have still got shit to do. I'm also gonna laminate my brows while I chat to you guys. So I'm currently in the middle of editing the first and second episode. Constantly going back and like looking at where I was when I had first decided that I was going to go on this journey, and then to see how fast things have happened. I just feel so grateful. As you guys have seen from the last few clips, like everything is coming together, and that makes me just the happiest person ever. There's nothing like seeing all of your hard work. I don't know if payoff is the right word, because like, I mean, I don't know yet. It's gonna sound really cheesy, but I just really have to say a massive thank you to every single person out there who has ever engaged with me, messaged me, actually bought a product when I've done like a sponsorship, bought my lashes, booked for a service. I'm just feeling really, really grateful right now. There have definitely been some struggles. What's that saying? It's like, nothing that is good comes easy, and nothing that comes easy is good. Not all the time. And you know who else I have to thank as well? My damn self. Where I was 6 months ago before I started on this journey, I thought I was on such a different path compared to where I am now. And I lost that spark and that passion and that zest that I had for life and for my career. And if you guys know me, you know how driven I have been. That's literally been like, that was literally my sports girl, be that girl slogan, be driven. Been through a lot of changes, not to make this all like, this is a year of realizing stuff.
I feel like this year is really about realizing stuff.
Really like kind of was in a lot of ways. And I'm honestly just so fucking grateful that whether it was me, whether it was God, whether it was the universe pulled me out of that, I don't know. And I also want to say, like, I also am planning on doing like podcast episodes about this. Like, I have not forgotten about the podcast. I know I literally did like one episode and then called it. That was because of a few, you know, different things. When I move into my studio space, planning to fucking go ham on content creation. It's very bittersweet because I love this room so much. I have like, you know, this is like where I do all of my work. Everything is in here. And I'm really grateful to say that I've like outgrown it and now I'm moving on to something bigger. You guys know that I was doing makeup literally like on a desk. You know, now I've got like this room, which is like my studio, but now I'm actually moving to a studio. Like, you know, it's just, it's crazy. It's really crazy to think about.
Next week,
See, we have got walls. Holy shit.
We're going to the studio. I've not seen the studio. Oh my this looks so different. Freaking love it. Like, I love it. Like, I'm moving in.
So here we have all of my makeup, baking details, social media things. Even though we have started painting, I'm not happy with the color. It means that we're changing it. I would love to hire you. I turned 26 today, but a couple of things have happened. My dream is definitely coming true. Finally feeling like I look like myself. Literally catching up and like organizing stock.
The vlogging life isn't for everyone.